All right, let's take a look here at the first one. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. And one way that we can do it is we can look at the relationship between these two. So I would write down 6 times a scale factor, right? Because this has to be times by something, equals 21. And then I would divide both sides by 6. That cancels. I get the scale factor is equal to, use my calculator here, 21 divided by 6 gives me 3.5. So now I know to go from this to this, I had to multiply by 3.5. So I would do the same thing to go from this bottom part to this part. I would multiply by 3.5. So 4 times 3.5 gives me 14. And so I know that this length is 14 units long. X equals 14. Okay? Now what we're going to do is I'm going to solve it a different way. I'm going to look at, let me erase this. We're going to look at the relationship between the two triangles. All right, let's look at the relationship between the two triangles. So I can try and figure out my scale factor to go from here to here. And so to do that, I have these two numbers. Can I make a fraction that's greater than 1? Well, I know that I'm going to have to multiply by, with 6 and 4, that would be 6 over 4. And 6/4 times 4 would give me the 6. So I know if I multiply by 6/4, 6/4 is the scale factor. 6/4 is the scale factor. So if I know that 6/4 is the scale factor, and I multiply by 6/4 to go this way, to go smaller, we would divide by 6/4. So instead of multiplying by 6/4, we're now going to divide by 6/4. So if I did 21 divided by 6/4, and let's see what that gives us on the calculator here. 21 divided by 6/4 is going to equal 14. And so you would get 14 for x. And that's how you do problem number 1.